Hi everyone, this is Krishna Kiran. Welcome to iClass Tutorials HTML Class 3 Basic Tags of HTML. As told in the previous video, HTML is a markup language and makes use of various tags to format a document. So, to learn HTML, we need to know about various tags and understand how they are useful to format a document. Across this video, we are going to learn what is the use and how to use basic tags of HTML. Let's get started. Basic tags are here. Doc type, HTML head, title, body, heading tags h1 to h6, paragraph, break, horizontal rule, and finally comment tag. Let's begin with first one, doc type tag. It is the very first line in the HTML document. It tells the browser what version of HTML is written in the document. It doesn't contain the closing tag and must not include any content within it. This is the example of document type tag in the current version of HTML. Next, HTML tag. HTML tag is the root for the whole HTML document. It is the container for all other HTML elements except doc type tag. Here is the example. Each HTML document should start with HTML opening tag and end with HTML closing tag. Next, head tag. It is the container for header elements, title, metadata, etc. We have discussed in the previous video about header section. Example is here. Head tag should be the first thing to appear after the HTML opening tag, and it will be closed with closing tag before the starting of body tag. Title tag. It defines the title of an HTML document. It is the child of head tag. Example is here. It should be appear inside of the head opening and closing tags. HTML home is the title of the web page I have given here. This is the preview and this is the title of the web page is displayed here. Body tag. It defines the main content of HTML document. It will be directly visible on your web page. It including hyperlinks, images, tables, and so on. Body tag required in every HTML document. It is child of HTML tag. That's why it is always enclosed within HTML opening and closing tags, and it contains starting as well as ending tag. Attributes of the body tag are listed here. Background is used to set background image. BusyColor is used to specify background color of your HTML document. Text is used to specify text color in your HTML document. A link is used to specify color of active link. Link is used to specify color of all the links in your document. V-link is used to specify color of visited link in your document. Let's open up the notepad for writing example code. Let's save the file and preview it. File, save, choose location for file and name your file with .html extension. Save as type, all files, and click on save button. Now let's move to the file location. My computer, D drive, HTML, and right click on your file and choose your favorite browser. This is the preview. Let's add some attributes to body tag and preview it again. Firstly, we are going to add background attribute to the body tag. Before going to add background attribute, we need an image. I have an image in my D drive with the name HTML image. Let's switch to the code file and type background is equals to within double quotes image location and the name of the image with extension. Here I am using JPG format, that's why the extension is .jpg. Here this image location and name of the image is assigned as value for background attribute. If an image is on the internet, then we can add the image by using URL instead of this file path. Let's save the file by pressing Ctrl S and switch to the browser and refresh the page. Here the image got displayed in the background, but the same image got displayed one next to the other repeatedly because the background image is smaller than the body element. To avoid this, we need to use global attribute style. Global attributes are common to all HTML elements. We will discuss on these in later class. Let's go to the editor and add the style attribute in the body tag. Style is equals to within double quotes background hyphen repeat colon no hyphen repeat semicolon. Let's save the file and switch to browser and refresh the page. Now the background looks like this. If you want to display this image sequence in x-axis, we need to change the code in the place of no repeat. We need to add repeat hyphen x. Save it and let's move to the browser and refresh the page. Similarly, for displaying in y-axis, simply put y in the place of x. This is the view after refreshing the page. If you want to display a single image throughout the page, we need to use image with larger dimensions. Here I am using an image which have the name HTML image 1 with larger dimensions. Image 1. We have to delete the style attribute. Let's save the file and go to browser and refresh the page. Now we are looking single image in the background. Next we are going to set background color to our web page by using BusyColor attribute in the body tag. BusyColor is equals to. Here we need to assign value for BusyColor. The attribute BusyColor accepts the value in three ways. Firstly, we can assign the value with name of a color such as red, green, blue, yellow, etc. Or we can assign the value with hexadecimal number. The range of hexadecimal number is here and this hexadecimal color chart is available in internet. Also, we can assign the value with RGB number. RGB means primary colors red, green, blue. Each color represented by the range of decimal numbers from 0 to 255. This chart is also available in internet. Let's assign the busy color with name of the color yellow and next we will use hexadecimal number. Let's save the file and switch to browser and refresh the page. Now the page background looks yellow. Let's assign the BusyColor with hexadecimal number. Here I am going to assign hexadecimal number #3498DB in the place of hello. Let's save the file, switch to browser and refresh the page. Now the page background like this. Let's use RGB number in the place of hexadecimal number. RGB open bracket 220, 180, 150 and close the bracket. Here the first number 220 is the color range of red and the second number 180 is the color range of green and the third number 150 is the color range of blue. The mix of these three different colors with different color ranges will produce a new color. If we want to get a different color, we can vary these three numbers from 0 to 255. Save the file, switch to browser and refresh the page. Now the page background like this. These are the three ways to assign value to the attribute BusyColor of body tag. Next attribute of body tag is text. It is used to set text color of an HTML document. By default, background color is white and text color is black. Previously, we have changed the background color using BusyColor attribute. If we want to change the text color in an HTML document, we need to use the attribute text. We must assign the value of text attribute in the same way as we assign the value of BusyColor. We can assign the value by using the name of a color or an hexadecimal number or an RGB number. Here I am going to assign the value with an hexadecimal number. Text is equals to #000FF. Save the file and switch to browser and refresh the page. Now the text looks blue. Remaining attributes A link, link and V link we will discuss on later class. Next, heading tags from H1 to H6. These are used to define headings in an HTML document. There are 6 levels of headings defined by the tags H1, H2, H3 up to H6. H1 is the largest heading tag and H6 is the smallest one. So H1 is used for most important headings. Moreover, headings are used by search engines for indexing the structure and content of the web page. Let's open up the notepad and write example code here. H1 specifies level 1 heading, H2 specifies level 2 heading, H3 specifies level 3 heading, H4 specifies level 4 heading, H5 specifies level 5 heading, and H6 specifies level 6 heading. Let's save the file. File, save, select the drive and HTML folder, file name headings.html. Select save as type as all files and hit on save button and open your file in browser. Right click on the file, open with Google Chrome. These are the 6 levels of headings in HTML. Next, we are going to discuss about paragraph tag. P tag defines a paragraph in an HTML document. A paragraph always starts on a new line and browsers automatically add a blank line before and after a paragraph. P tag supports a line attribute with the values left, right, center, and justify. Left aligns the paragraph text to left, right aligns the paragraph text to right, center aligns the paragraph text to center, and justify is used to justify the paragraph text. Let's write example code in Notepad using paragraph tag. Let's save the file. Click on File, choose Save, choose Location for file. Name it as para.html. Save as type all files and click on Save button. Now go to the file location and open the file in the browser. Here by default paragraph text is aligned to left. If we are assign align attribute value as left, the preview as same as like this. Now we are going to use align attribute with the value right. Align is equals to right. Save the file and preview in browser. Now the paragraph text is aligned to right end. Now assign the value center. Align is equals to center. Save the file and refresh the page. Now the text is on center. Let's assign the value justify. Align is equals to justify. Save the file and refresh the page. Now the text is aligned to both left and right ends. Next we are going to discuss on BR tag. The BR tag inserts a single line break in text within an HTML document and it has no end tag. Let's write the code. Save the file and open it on the browser. brtag.html all files. Click on save button. Here the browser displays single line of text, but in the notepad we have typed 2 lines of text, but the browser displays these as single line of text because the browser just ignored extra white spaces. That's why we need to use BR tag to insert line break. Let's put BR tag on next to hypertext markup language. BR. Save the file and refresh the page. Now the browser displays line break. Next we are going to discuss on HR tag. HR tag. HR stands for horizontal rule and it is used for creating a horizontal rule to separate content in an HTML document and it does not require an end tag. Attributes of HR tag are here. Size specifies the size of the horizontal rule. Width specifies width of the horizontal rule. No shade specifies the bar without shading effect. Align specifies alignment of the horizontal rule with the values left, right, and center, and color is used to set the color of the horizontal rule. Let's write the code. Here HR tag is without attributes, then it will assign to default values. Save the file with HTML extension. HR tag.html. Save as type all files and click on save. Now open it on the browser. HTML. Now the horizontal rule appears with default values. Let's use the attributes size and width. Size is equals to 10 pixels and width is equals to 1000 pixels. Let's save the file, switch to the browser and refresh the page. Now the height and width of the horizontal rule has increased. Let's add another attribute, no shade. Space, no shade. Save the file, switch to browser and refresh the page. Now the bar appears without shading effect. Let's add remaining attributes, align and color to HR tag. Align is equals to, here I am going to align the horizontal bar to left side, so the value of align is as left. And color is equals to, here we can assign the value of color by the name of the color or an hexadecimal number. Color is equals to blue. Let's save the file and refresh the page. Now the horizontal rule appears like this. Next we are going to discuss on comment tag. Next, the comment tag is used to insert comments in an HTML document. Comment is a piece of text which is ignored by the browser. It means after run the HTML code, whatever the information is written as comment will not appear on the web page. We can use comments to leave information about the code in an HTML document. It will help us to get the information back if we forget something about the code after a few days, and it will be useful to others to understand the code as well. Within angle brackets, comment tag begins with exclamation symbol and then followed by two hyphens. After that, we can write whatever we want to write about the code. At the end ends with couple of hyphens. Example code is here. Here I am using two comment tags, one at the head section and another one is at the body section. Let's save the file and run it on browser. Comment.html. Save as type all files and click on save button. My computer D drive HTML comment. See, nothing is appeared on the web page what we are written on the comment tag. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and hit on the bell icon for more updates.